We are at 3807 D. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, brand new renovated building. This is the back of the building, so it's a nice quiet garden entrance. The entrance has a few wide stairs with railing up to the parking area and a Community Canada Post mailbox. There is a garden, and this all stays in full sun. However, the unit actually stays in shade through the summer, so it stays nice and cool. You have a covered patio area and also a view over the valley with Turtle Mountain. There's all brand new windows and brand new doors. This living room space, most people have their couch on that wall or sectional with a TV mounted on that wall. There's still extra space here either for more seating or for bar stools. This is a pretty wide space for a dining table. And then there's a brand new IKEA kitchen with a Bosch dishwasher right there. There's lots of cupboard space. There's a LG washer dryer and dedicated electrical panel. There is a storage closet in here, just deep under the stairs, and all the drywall's new. 2 layers of fireproof drywall, sound bar in the ceiling with sound insulation. This is the rearmost bedroom, which is the larger of the two. People have easily fit a king-size bed in both bedrooms. This is a side yard, which is sort of very forested and just has extra space there. A north-facing bedroom that faces into the backyard, which is private to this unit and fenced. Has a little bit deeper closet, but not as wide because the bathroom is beside it. And every single room has smart baseboard heaters. So the baseboard heaters can be programmed with whatever temperature you want it to kick on at. But there is also central heating, and utilities are included. Bathroom, just turn some lights on here. Has a double vanity, 4 big drawers underneath. And there's all seamless bath with a Delta Rain shower head, faucet, all new door hardware, all new doors throughout, Lincoln Park doors. Show there's all LED lighting throughout.